Hello everyone. Today we'll introduce our X-Lipe system. This is the main console. This is the power cable. This is the handpiece power cable. This is the foot pedal. And this is the handpiece assembly. Let's start by connecting the main console. Here's the foot pedal. This is its power cable. Match the red dots when connecting. Insert the power cable. Here are the handpiece and its power cable. These all must be sterilized under high temperature and pressure. First, pass the locking nut through the handpiece power cable. Then connect the motor cable by aligning the red dots. Insert the motor head into the motor. Install the cannula. Rotate it to the correct position. Twist to lock it in place. Insert the silencing rubber ring into the handpiece. This Y-shaped opening. Align it here and push to lock. The red dots. Align them and insert. Now let's power on the system. Press the power button to start the main console. All functions can be controlled through the touch screen. The vibration frequency goes up to 4,200 times per minute. Press the pause button to stop operation. You can also use the foot pedal to adjust the speed levels and control start, stop. Press the left pedal to adjust the speed level. Press the right pedal to start operation. During operation, you can still adjust the levels. That's all for the X-Lipe introduction. Thank you for watching.